Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Balloons is probably one of the most versatile and budget-friendly decorations available, capable of transforming any space into a festive wonderland without breaking the bank. Whether you're planning a birthday bash, a wedding reception, a corporate event, or just a simple get-together, the right balloons can add a pop of color, a touch of elegance, or a playful vibe that instantly elevates the atmosphere and creates lasting memories for your guests. Their affordability and wide variety of styles, colors, and sizes make them an indispensable element for any celebration aiming for maximum impact with minimal cost. Number 5. 100 PCS Clear Long Latex Balloons. Introducing our premium quality clear long balloons, perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. Get ready to twist and shape your imagination into reality. These transparent balloons are ideal for creating fun balloon animals, intricate sculptures, and festive decorations. They are perfect for kids' parties, carnivals, and any celebration. Crafted from durable premium latex, they are designed for modeling balloon art and decorating events. They are easy to inflate with a balloon pump, just remember to leave some space and release air to avoid popping. These fun long balloons are not just for entertainment, they help develop children's creativity and motor skills. Watch them bring their ideas to life, one twist at a time. The possibilities are endless. Twist them into animals, flowers, swords, hats, and so much more. Let your creativity soar with these versatile modeling balloons. Designed with beginners in mind, these balloons offer a premium quality experience. They are easy to handle and perfect for learning the art of balloon twisting. What we like? If you're looking for a fun and engaging activity for kids, these are perfect. They are designed for twisting into various shapes, making them ideal for parties and developing children's creativity and motor skills. If you want to create a hands-on experience that sparks imagination, consider these. What people say. The balloons are a good size and hold air well. They are easy to inflate and tie. The colors are vibrant and as pictured. Number 4. PartyWoo 140 PCS Black Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our premium black balloon kit, designed to elevate any celebration. This collection offers a variety of sizes to create stunning balloon arrangements. You'll receive 140 balloons in sizes ranging from 5 to 18 inches. They are perfect for creating impressive arches and garlands for your special events. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons maintain their fullness longer. They ensure your decorations look spectacular throughout the entire event. Inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness. Their standard necks allow for quick and easy setup, bringing instant joy to any party. From baby showers and birthdays to graduations and casino nights, these balloons are the ideal choice. Make your next event truly unforgettable. Please avoid overfilling, direct sun, or sharp objects to ensure longevity. Inflate to your desired size and enjoy your perfectly decorated party. What we like? For those planning a large event with a specific color theme, these offer great versatility. The range of sizes allows for impressive balloon arches and garlands that will last throughout your celebration. If you need reliable decorations for a variety of parties, from birthdays to graduations, these are a solid choice. What people say. The balloons are a good size and hold air well. They are easy to inflate and tie. The colors are vibrant and as pictured. Number 3. Silver Metallic Balloons, 50 PCS 12-inch Chrome Latex. Introducing our stunning silver metallic balloons, perfect for adding a vibrant and bright luster to any celebration. These balloons are ideal for birthdays, weddings, and various other party decorations. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic latex, these balloons are thicker and more durable than traditional ones. They are designed to be safer for your events, ensuring peace of mind. You can easily inflate these balloons with either air or helium. They maintain their shape for an impressive 5 to 7 days with air and 7 to 9 days with helium. These versatile balloons can be paired with various colors like white, gold, or blue to create unique themes, or they can stand alone for a sleek look. To ensure the best experience, avoid overinflating and protect them from extreme temperatures or sharp objects. A small percentage may have defects, which is normal for vacuum-packed items. What we like? If you want to add a touch of glamour and sophistication to your event, these metallic silver balloons are the way to go. Their vibrant luster and thicker material ensure they look stunning and last longer, perfect for weddings or disco-themed parties. Choose these if you're aiming for a chic and memorable decoration. What people say. The balloons are a good size and hold air well. They are durable and do not pop easily. The colors are vibrant and true to the pictures. Number 2. PartyWoo 5-inch black matte latex balloons. Introducing our 5-inch black matte balloons, perfect for any celebration. This pack includes 50 pieces, adding a touch of sophistication to your event. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of occasions, from birthdays and weddings to graduations and bachelorette parties. They serve as excellent black party decorations. Crafted from durable latex, these balloons are perfect for creating stunning balloon garlands. They are a fantastic addition to any black and gold-themed party or baby shower. You can fill them with air, which lasts up to 72 hours, or with helium for a float time of 3 to 6 hours. They are wonderful for retirement parties and anniversaries. To ensure longevity, please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and excessive friction. While a small number of popped balloons can occur due to automated packing, they are generally reliable. These matte black balloons are designed to elevate your party's ambience. Use them for birthdays, graduations, or any event where you want a chic, black theme. What we like. If you need smaller balloons for detailed decorations or to add depth to garlands, these 5-inch matte black balloons are ideal. They provide a sophisticated, understated look and are perfect for creating elegant party backdrops or accents. Consider these if you're going for a modern, minimalist aesthetic for your celebration. What people say. The balloons are a good size for party decorations. They held air well and stayed inflated for the entire event. The colors were vibrant and exactly as pictured. Number 1. Prextex 300 Party Balloons. Introducing the Prextex 300 Party Balloons, your go-to for adding a splash of color to any event. These 12-inch balloons come in 10 assorted rainbow colors, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. With a bulk pack of 300, you'll have plenty for any celebration. They are ideal for birthdays, parties, and general event decorations, ensuring your space looks amazing. Crafted from strong latex, these balloons are designed for durability. This means they float longer and are less likely to burst, providing reliable decor throughout your event. Whether you prefer helium or air, these balloons are ready. They are helium quality, offering flexibility in how you choose to inflate and display them. From grand arches to simple party favors, these balloons are incredibly versatile. They are the perfect supplies for birthday parties and any other special occasion you're planning. What we like. For large-scale events or if you simply want a wide variety of colors to work with, this bulk pack is unbeatable. The 10 assorted rainbow colors offer endless decorating possibilities for any party theme. If you need a cost-effective and abundant supply of quality balloons for a big celebration, this is your best bet. What people say. These balloons are perfect for party decorations. The colors are vibrant and they hold air well. Great value for the quantity received. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.